the red corner. He is carrying a legendary name, but he is also making or carving his own path towards greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, the fighting pride of Davao City, Philippines, the Sparkle GMA artist, the undefeated Eman Bacosa Pacquiao! Once again, this is another featured bout for Kumupulanon 24 happening at the Bohol Cultural Center, Saturday, February 28, 3 p.m. onwards. Tickets are still available. So be there when it happens, ladies and gentlemen. Stick around kay taon-taon na may manghatag daw free tickets for Kumupulanon 24. Now tipping the scale, ladies and gentlemen. He's got a record of 7 wins, no defeat, 1 bout even. 4 of those wins coming by way of knockout. Here's Eman Bacosa Pacquiao. £138.09 for Eman Bacosa Pacquiao. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause.